Hello everyone. So today I have Remax charger with me, and this is, you can see the cable, and this is the US to Indian plug, and this is the charger itself. Apart from that, I have my laptop and my laptop's original charger, and my mobile Oppo charger, which is of 5 ampere 4 volt, and their proprietary cables you can see. So today what I am going to show is that how fast this charger is, because this is a GAN charger, and GAN charger is the new technology, and this is 65 watt quick charge, and let's unbox it. Okay, so you can see here it is written my service my life, and the website link. You can see it's HK, and this guys, this is the box, 65 watt charger, and this original box, you can see the seal and all, and if you see the voltage, you can read it here. It's type C port, 12 volt 3 ampere 5. So you can see guys, it is of 12 volt 3 ampere, 15 volt 3 ampere, 20 volts 3.5 ampere, and total it is 65 watt max. And there is one more port which is saying 4.5 volt 5 ampere, and 5 volt 4.5 ampere, 9 volt 3 ampere, 12 volt 2.5 ampere, 20 volts 1.5 ampere, approximately 30 watt max. And simultaneously you can see the, if you use both the ports, then USB A port delivers 18 watt, and the other one delivers approx 45 watt max. So let's unbox it. So it was sealed guys. I just opened the seal here. I ordered this one from Amazon. It looks very nice guys. It's very small comparatively to the original charger. You can see this is the Honor Magic Book original charger over here, and you can see the size. It's very compact. Now you can see it has PD port, which is called power delivery, and Qualcomm quick charge 3.0, which is, you can see, is showing 30 watt. So this 30 watt and 65 watt, when you use separately, one type C or either the USB type A, but if you use both, it will reduce PD reduce to 18 watt, and the QC reduced to 18 watt, 45 watt and 18 watt. Okay, and this is the cable, you can see. And guys, this is good thing is, you can see the plug point, you can just close it, so you can keep it nicely in the bag or somewhere. And this is the US to India charger, the plug. Okay guys, so let's test it, how much it will take time. So this original charger usually charges around 7 to 8% in 5 minutes, and we will check this charges my laptop in how much minutes. So guys, I have plugged this into the socket, and you can see my laptop here, and you can see right now it is 29% and time is 2:22, and I have plugged in. Let's see after 5 minutes how much it will get charged. So you can see guys, now 5 minutes is over, and after 5 minutes it charges approx 8%, and the charger, it charges approx 7%. You can see 227, so you can see it's 38, so it's approx now 9% extra, 9%, 2% extra. But guys, I'll tell you, this GAN charger is called Gallium nitride, and the charger what we have normally, like mobile charger, the fast charger, so this is also the 20 watt charger, but this is based on the silicon. So the good thing about this GAN chargers are that it charges very fast, and it doesn't heats up. So if I am checking the heat, it is not heating that much, but when I charges using my original Honor Magic Book charger, it charges properly, but it heats more than this small charger, the GAN charger. This is the GAN silicon charger. So you can see guys, there on the laptop it's around 228. It's around 6 minutes and it charges approx 10%. In 6 minutes it charges the 10%. As soon as it goes in the higher voltage, it charges more. So I'm right now using the original cable which comes with my Honor Magic Book laptop, but I can check with this as well. I don't think so there is any difference with these cables. So you can see guys, this is very nice charger, I would say. I can see the charger is very good over here and very compact. So, and good thing is you can charge anything from this. So let me show you one more thing is I'll show you how like it will charge my mobile in how much percent, and will it charges fast or not. I'll show you that as well. Let me set up. So you can see right now I have plugged in the original charger for this mobile. You can see on this one it is showing VOOC, and the charger is original right now. And let's wait for 2 minutes and see. Right now it's 2:30, and wait for 2 minutes and see how much it charged with the original one, and then I will plug this charger in the normal 30-watt port and see how much it can charge, and will it show the VOOC. Obviously I don't think that it is going to show the VOOC charging. But one more thing, this original charger is around 5 volt 4 ampere, and this QC port supports 5 volt 3 ampere only, but it supports higher voltages as well. So we need to check it out how fast it performs in terms of mobile charging. But in terms of laptop charging, you have seen that it performed very well. So let's wait for 2 minutes and see. So you can see 1% is already charged. It's showing now 76%, and once it will be 232, and let's see. So you can see guys, it charges up to 78, around 3% in 2 minutes. Okay, so let me set up with this one and see, then we can check the charging. So guys, I have plugged in the Remax charger now, and I am using the QC port Qualcomm, but you can see it is not showing me any VOOC charging right now. Right now the time is 2:33 and the charging is 78%. Let's wait for 2 minutes and see. So you can see now guys, it's 2 minutes and it charges only 1%. I think it's going to be 80 then and there. So approx 2% it will charge with this Remax charger, as my mobile is not having any Qualcomm charger, Qualcomm CPU, so that is why it is taking slow charging, I think. So let's try with this type C cable with the PD charging, and let's see how much it will charge in 2 minutes. So guys, I have plugged in right now into the PD port, power delivery, but obviously this mobile doesn't support power delivery and all, but it's taking again the same thing. You can see I plugged in at the time of 2:36, and right now it is 81%, 2% more in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes 2%. So but it's not charging as faster than the VOOC charger, because VOOC charger is a proprietary one. But the devices like the laptops and the iPhone and the iPads, though which supports PD power delivery, it can charge faster than the normal thing. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please do like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.